What's the difference between laminate and vinyl plank flooring? This is a question I get asked all the time. Vinyl plank flooring comes in a multitude of different types of products. So you have what's called a stone product, a stone polymer core, and you have a WPC, which is a wood polymer core. What the difference is between that, because these acronyms are flying around all over the industry, is the stone SPC, stone polymer core product, has a stone base, a limestone base core. Then you have a WPC, which is a wood polymer core, which is wood, has fiber in it, so which makes it more wood-based core. Differences between these two products is the SPC, the stone polymer core, is a little harder underfoot versus the wood being a little bit more sound absorbing and a little softer underfoot. They come in different thicknesses, which makes a big difference in how they're going to last and hold up to your foot traffic. And also, when you have the thicknesses up against other types of flooring, such as ceramic tile, perhaps in a bathroom or a laundry room or something like that, the thicker the product, the more even that width will be between the two different surfaces, the level of the two surfaces. And now we have laminate flooring. Laminate flooring is a different type of product than vinyl plank. The biggest difference is it's thicker, and it has a melamine backing on it that protects it from moisture from the subfloor. And then you have a high compression fiber board that's injected with resins. And what that does is it helps with moisture, protecting the floor from moisture, mops, spills, all that kind of moisture that enters our daily lives. And then you have the top surface, which is your printed surface, your pattern, and then it's protected with a layer of aluminum oxide. A vinyl plank has a urethane finish, where the laminate has an aluminum oxide finish. Aluminum oxide is a harder finish than the urethane, so it's much more resistant to scratching. So it holds up better over time between the two products because of that. It's much more dent resistance because this is a high compression core board, and if you drop things on it or somebody walks around your house in high heels, it is much more durable in that case. So that's the biggest difference between vinyl plank and laminate. You'll find a plethora of choices here at our store between the two, many options and colors and styles, and we can explain further what the differences are.